Okay, we're going to start with a pelvic rest posture. This one is called 90-90 pelvic rest. You may need something to prop your shoulders and a pillow or a yoga block under your head if you tend to have where your ribs thrust forward. We want your ribs nice and supported on the floor. So you also will need a chair or a couch or a bed to rest your feet on. So you're going to lie back with your feet supported. The roll is going to be under your shoulders just to give you a little bit of support. And then your yoga block or your pillow is going to be under your head. You want to have a nice long spine, but it should not be work. It should be just a comfortable position. And your legs can either be rested and supported where your feet and your knees are pointing straight up, or you can be butterflied. And you can kind of play with your position, and it may change based on the day or kind of where you're feeling your tension. Once you get into position, you're going to go ahead and focus in on your breath. Thinking about breathing in quietly and gently through your nose and breathing out also through your nose. With your breath, you want to think about having your hands possibly on your lower ribs. You can even use a C hand to hold the outside of your ribs. And with your inhale, you want to feel expansion. So as you breathe in, you want to think about breathing out into your hands and down into the floor. So your ribs are expanding, kind of like an umbrella opening up inside, so 360 degrees. You can think about a slow, gentle inhale, and then turn your attention to your exhale. And with your exhale, you're going to feel your ribs sinking and coming together. And what we want to make sure we're not doing is feeling our back moving up and down off the floor. Everything's stable and supported. I like to count my breath. So as you inhale, I count for 5. As you exhale, I try to go for 6 or 7. If you can do 8, that's great. And then you spend a couple of minutes here, allowing your body to rest. If you feel you have good expansion through your ribs, you can just let your arms rest at your side. And so you could do this for about 2 minutes until you feel your body is fully released. Enjoy your relaxation.